This peaceful field, filled with vibrant flowers and busy pollinators, seems like a perfect picture of life. But beneath the surface, something darker lurks, a hidden force that's quietly shaping the lives of the creatures that call this place home. These grasshoppers, once vibrant and full of life, have become unwitting victims of a parasitic fungus, one that forces them to climb before the end. This fungus doesn't just kill its host, it hijacks its body, forcing it to climb before its final moments. These grasshoppers weren't just unlucky, they were infected, victims of a mind-controlling fungus named Entomophthora Grylli. It all starts with microscopic spores. When a grasshopper brushes against a leaf covered in these spores, the fungus finds a way inside, through the skin, mouth, or spiracles, the tiny breathing holes along its body. At first, the grasshopper shows no sign of infection, but deep inside the fungus is spreading, weaving through its muscles and nervous system, and then something terrifying happens. The fungus doesn't just consume the grasshopper, it controls it. Like a parasite pulling invisible strings, Entomophthora Grylli alters the insect's behavior, driving it to climb. This is what scientists call summit disease, a phenomenon where an infected insect is compelled to reach the highest point possible before it dies. By the time the grasshopper reaches its final perch, it's already doomed. The fungus locks its legs into place, ensuring the body doesn't fall, and then it dies, frozen in time, a perfect launch pad for the next wave of infection. After death, the fungus erupts from the insect's body, releasing thousands of spores into the air. These spores drift, settling onto nearby plants, waiting for the next unsuspecting host. One by one, grasshoppers across the landscape fall victim, turning their bodies into vessels for the fungus's survival. As eerie as it sounds, it plays a crucial role in balancing ecosystems. Grasshoppers, if left unchecked, can devastate plant life. This fungus helps control their numbers, acting as nature's own form of population control. And grasshoppers aren't the only ones affected. Their predators, birds, frogs, and spiders, are all part of this complex web of life, ensuring that no single species overwhelms the system. And this isn't just happening to grasshoppers. All around the world, fungi have evolved ways to control their hosts. The most famous? Cordyceps unilaterus, the zombie ant fungus. It takes over ants in tropical forests, forcing them to climb before spores burst from their bodies. In each case, nature has fine-tuned these fungi to maximize survival at the expense of their helpless hosts. It's a chilling reminder that nature is full of hidden horrors. While we often think of fungi as simple decomposers, some have evolved into master manipulators, creatures that control life and death in ways we're only beginning to understand. What other secrets lie hidden in the grass waiting to be discovered? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. But either way, get out there and see what you can see.